Welcome guys to YouTube channel. I hope you all are well. Guys, in this video I'll show you how you can easily transfer your file from your PC to your virtual machine with some simple steps. So let's start the video. So first, make a folder for sharing your file on your virtual machine. You can make this folder anywhere you want. For easy access, I am making my folder on my main PC desktop, and you can rename it any name. Now run your virtual machine. Now my virtual machine is turned on. After opening your virtual machine, go to Devices. Then click on Insert Guest Edition CD image. After that, go to the computer. Here you will see this icon on your CD drive. Double click on it for the run, then install it as usual. Now you need to reboot the virtual machine. Just select the reboot option and click finish. After restart the virtual machine windows, go to the computer. Then right click on this icon, then select eject. Now again go to the devices, then share folders, then click on share folder settings. After that you will see this share folder page. Now click on this green plus symbol. Then from this drop down menu select others. Now you need to find and select that folder which folder you created on your main PC. For me, I created my folder on my main PC desktop. Here is the folder which I created at the beginning of this tutorial. So just open the folder and click on select folder. After that you can rename your folder name from here. If you want to read only file from your virtual machine, then tick on this option, otherwise leave this. I don't want to read only file from my virtual machine, so I leave this unchecked. Now the next option, auto mount. If I select this option, then virtual machine OS will automatically mount the share folder on startup. So again I leave this option. Now the last option, make permanent. If you select this option, then your share folder permanently selected. So I want to make my share folder permanent, so I check this. Also I recommend you to tick this option. After that click OK. Now again go to network. When you go to your network page first time, you will see this notification. Network discovery and file share are turned off. Click on it and select turn on network discovery and file sharing. Then select yes, turn on network discovery. Now it will take a little bit of time to discover your file sharing path. Friends, if you see this network page empty after refreshing, then close this page and again go to your virtual machine computer and click on network, and you will see this type of icon. Open it and you will see your sharing folder. If you open your share folder, then you will see it is empty because you did not share any files. Now our sharing setting is totally done. Now we can share our file from our main PC to our virtual PC. Let me show you, it is super easy. For example, I like to share these 3 files from my main PC to my virtual PC or virtual computer. So I just select and copy files. Then I am going to my share folder which I created. and paste the files. Now if I go to my virtual machine, then share folder, here you can see my files which I share from my main PC. Now I can copy this file to my virtual machine desktop any location. Guys, with this share path you can also share file from your virtual PC to your main PC. Here you can see I have some files on my virtual PC. So I like to transfer this file on my main PC. So just copy files, then networks and my share folder location which I created, then paste here. Okay, done. Now if I go to my main PC, then share folder, and here you can see my files which I share from my virtual PC. So guys, in this way you can easily transfer file from your main PC to your virtual PC and virtual PC to your main PC. It is super easy. So I hope you find this tutorial helpful. If you are, please click on the like button. If you have any question, please comment below. Subscribe now for more upcoming tech videos of this channel. So thanks for watching this video. Please stay safe at home. See you in the next video.